Okay, this is a project Exemplar. Thank you, Ishmeet, for giving me the permission to post this. This will be the same format for your summative, which is the robot character design, okay? Where the entire process is exactly the same, but you're modeling it in 3D after the fact, okay? So for this game art unit, this is like a cover page, basically. Okay, this is the items. Normally, sometimes you guys can put how many pages, but it's fine with me. So here's your research stage, research and analysis. And then we've got more research, a little bit of notation, sweet. This is the game art concept sketches, okay, with a bit of rendering and shading, okay. So these are the assets that our student wanted to put in, beautifully done. And then here's the floor plan with its notation, sweet, it's its own page, excellent. And then we've got the basically the non-shaded view and the shaded wireframe view. Okay, so let me just zoom in here for a sec so you can see all this. Okay, down here, the title bar and everything is here. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so the next page is where you start getting into details. Okay, so this is a nice close-up. Look at the previous page. So you got A and B. Now, what does this look like without the wireframe? It's right here. Page 7. There's no edges on here. So this is just simple coloring, shading, whatever you want to call them. The next page is where we get into our details. Okay, so this is lit up with simple lights and coloring texture. There's no proper world textures. We didn't get into that in grade 10. That's a grade 11. But for now, look how beautiful these are. These are close-ups of all the work you've done. Okay, so the other recording is done. Sweet. And then look at another page. Let's go to the next page, page 9. More details. See that? Okay, let me just zoom out for a sec. There we go. Okay, yep, I see you, Camtasia, no problem. Okay, so there it is, boom, and then it ends here. Sweet. Okay, awesome. I love it. I love all the details. I love all the work she's done here. It's truly an exemplar. Thank you, Ishmeet, for sharing this with us. And any questions, it's here. I'm here for you. Bye for now. Balian out.